Vinyl window installation. Mandeville, LA is a top choice for homeowners seeking energy-efficient windows. Our custom vinyl windows Mandeville are designed to enhance the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your home. With our window replacement services, you can enjoy the benefits of double-hung windows and sliding vinyl windows tailored to your specific needs. Energy-efficient vinyl windows. Mandeville are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our insulated vinyl windows provide superior thermal performance, ensuring your home stays warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Trust our window installation experts in Mandeville to deliver top-notch vinyl window solutions that meet your energy-saving goals. Custom vinyl windows. Mandeville, LA, offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home's appearance. Our vinyl window contractors specialize in creating bespoke window designs that reflect your style. Whether you need window frame installation or vinyl window customization, our team is equipped to handle all your residential window services in Mandeville. Window replacement in Mandeville, LA is made easy with our comprehensive services. From vinyl windows Mandeville to window glass replacement, we ensure your windows are in perfect condition. Our affordable vinyl windows Mandeville provide a cost-effective solution without compromising on quality or performance. Double-hung windows. Mandeville are a popular choice for their classic look and functionality. Our vinyl windows Mandeville experts offer a range of options to suit your home's architecture. With our window fitting services, you can enjoy seamless installation and long-lasting performance. Vinyl windows Mandeville, LA is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your windows. Our vinyl window maintenance services ensure your windows remain in top condition, preventing drafts and leaks. Trust our window sealing services in Mandeville to keep your home weatherproof and energy efficient. Affordable vinyl windows. Mandeville are available through our trusted vinyl window suppliers. We offer a wide selection of vinyl window designs to match any home style. Our window renovation services in Mandeville provide an opportunity to upgrade your windows and enhance your home's value. Window frame installation in Mandeville, LA is a critical component of our window replacement services. Our window installation experts in Mandeville ensure precise fitting and secure installation. With our vinyl window upgrades, you can enjoy improved aesthetics and functionality. Insulated vinyl windows. Mandeville offers superior energy efficiency and noise reduction. Our vinyl window solutions in Mandeville, LA are designed to meet the highest standards of performance and durability. Trust our window weatherproofing services to protect your home from the elements.